Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will write a story on Cinderella. This is a very popular story and today we are going to write this story in 10 beautiful, simple and easy lines. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is, once upon a time, a kind and gentle girl named Cinderella lived with her wicked stepmother and stepsisters. Second line is, one day, the king announced a grand ball. Third line is, she wished to go to the grand ball, but her stepmother denied. Fourth line is, as she wept, a fairy godmother appeared and magically transformed her rags into a beautiful gown, glass slippers, and a pumpkin carriage. Fifth line is, she warned Cinderella that the magic would disappear at midnight. Ninth line is, at the ball, she was so stunning that the prince fell in love with her. Seventh line is, as the clock neared midnight, she suddenly fled, losing one of her glass slippers. Eighth line is, the prince searched the kingdom for the owner of the slipper, determined to find his true love. Ninth line is, when the royal messengers arrived at Cinderella's house, she tried it on and it fit perfectly, revealing her as the mysterious girl from the ball. Last, in the 10th line is, she married the prince and lived happily ever after.